Well, it's September 12th, and I just finished putting all the garlic in the ground that I'm going to grow this year. This is the seed, some of the leftover seed garlic right here. Most of the best seed garlic in the United States is grown pretty much in Oregon. So if you buy garlic from Gilroy, for example, probably the seed came from Oregon. So I guess that's good to know. That's a good for Oregon thing. This is a feldspar waterfall. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life. This is just amazing. Well, here we are in the Upper Still Falls in the Highlands of Scotland. This is the second highest waterfalls in Scotland. We're right next to Ben Nevis, the tallest mountain in Scotland, and this is pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
Now here we have Kathy McCauley walking across the Bridge of Death on our way to the other side of the creek.